Welcome to today's video where we will show you how to reply to reviews in WooCommerce. As a business owner, replying to reviews left by your customers is crucial in maintaining a positive online reputation. Responding to reviews shows that you value your customers' opinions and care about their experiences. WooCommerce provides an easy way for you to reply to reviews left on your website. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at how to reply to reviews. Replying to reviews in WooCommerce without a reviews plugin. WooCommerce provides basic reviews functionality out of the box. If you haven't turned on reviews in your WooCommerce store yet, check our video explaining how to enable reviews in WooCommerce. After reviews are enabled, we will navigate to the reviews page that is located under the products page in the main WordPress sidebar. Here we will hover a cursor over any of the reviews and click on the reply button to open a box for typing a reply. Now we will simply type our response and click on the reply button to post it. That's it. As you can see, it is really easy to reply to reviews in WooCommerce. Replying to reviews in WooCommerce with a reviews plugin. Since the standard reviews functionality in WooCommerce is really basic, many stores are using our Cus Rev plugin to supercharge their reviews collection and display processes. Let's have a brief look at how to reply to reviews in WooCommerce with the Cus Rev plugin. The plugin supports two types of reviews. Products reviews, related to products. Store reviews, related to a store overall. A store manager can reply to both types of reviews. The steps are very similar to what we have just seen, but you need to start at the reviews page in the main WordPress sidebar. After that, we will hover a cursor over any of the reviews and click on the reply button to open a box for typing a reply. Now we will simply type our response and click on the reply button to post it. That's it. As you can see, it is really easy to reply to reviews with the Cus Rev plugin. Wrapping up. In summary, WooCommerce allows you to easily manage and respond to customer reviews. You can also respond to reviews from our Cus Rev plugin. With the ability to respond to reviews, you can ensure that customers see how you care about their experiences. Get more with the Pro version. Did you like our free plugin? There is also a Pro version available with even more powerful features. Check the link in the description below to learn about the Pro version. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.